One day, Thomas was waiting at the junction when a bus came into the yard. Thomas said to the bus, "Hello, who are you?" "What's that?" "Oh, I'm Bertie. Who are you?" "I'm Thomas. I run this line." "Oh, so you're Thomas, are you?" "Oh, yes, I remember now. You stuck in the snow, didn't you? I took your passengers and Terence pulled you out, didn't he? Well, I've come to help you with your passengers today." This made Thomas very cross indeed.
"Help me! I can go faster than you."
You can't.
"I can.
You can't.
I can."
All right, I'll race you." The drivers agreed. The station master said, "Right, are you ready? Steady, go!" And they were off. Thomas never could go fast at first, and Bertie drew in front. Thomas was running well, but he didn't hurry.
"Why don't you go fast?
Why don't you go fast?
Wait and see. He's a long way ahead."
But Thomas didn't mind. He remembered the level crossing. There was Bertie fuming at the gates while they sailed gaily through.
"Goodbye, Bertie."
The road left the railway and went through a village, so they couldn't see Bertie. They stopped at the station, and Thomas called out,
"Quickly, please! Quickly, please!"
and off they went.
"Hurry, hurry, hurry, hurry!"
For there, straight ahead, was Bertie crossing the bridge over the railway, and he was tooting triumphantly on his horn. Thomas groaned.
"Oh, bother!"
But Thomas's driver said, "Now steady, Thomas. We'll beat Bertie yet."
"We'll beat Bertie yet." "We'll do it, we'll do it, we'll do it, we'll do it." "Oh, bother, there's a station."
"Goodbye, Thomas. You must be very tired. Sorry I can't stop. We buses have to work, you know." Ta-ra. Thomas thought,
"Oh dear, we've lost now."
but he felt better after a drink. Then James rattled through with the goods train, and the signal dropped, showing that the line was clear.
"Hurrah, we're off! Hurrah, we're off!"
And as they rumbled over the bridge, they heard a very impatient, and there was Bertie waiting at the red traffic light. But as soon as the lights turned green, Bertie was off with a roar, and soon he and Thomas were racing side by side up a valley. And now Thomas reached his full speed. Bertie tried hard, but Thomas was too fast. Slowly but surely, he drew ahead till he plunged into a tunnel, leaving Bertie toiling far behind.
"I've done it! I've done it! We've done it! Hooray!"
Thomas was very pleased. The passengers gave Thomas 3 cheers and told the station master and the porters all about the race. "Whew! That was well done, Thomas. That was fun. But to beat you over that hill, I should have to grow wings and be an aeroplane." Thomas and Bertie now keep each other very busy. They often talk about their race, but Bertie's passengers don't like being bounced about like peas in a frying pan, and the fat controller has warned Thomas about what happens to engines who race at dangerous speeds. So although, between you and me, they'd like to have another race, I don't think they ever will.